Hello viewers, let's solve this question from triangles and polygons, right? So this is not hard at all. We have this question, the diagram here. So you can see this AB and AC. AB and what? And AC are the same because this mark is indicating that this triangle is isosceles triangle. I know that this isosceles triangle, if this is isosceles triangle, this angle B is equals must be what equals to C. Do you understand now? So now let's represent it to be a particular number. Let's say x degree. So therefore, if this is x and this is also x degrees, now we have theorem of a triangle that says the exterior angle of what of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two or opposite interior angles. So now the opposite interior angles, what is saying that A is equals to B plus what? Plus C. Do you understand now? So exterior angles of triangle is equal to the sum. Do you understand? So A is 126, we have 126 degree equals. The B is x plus x, and C is also x. So we're going to have 126 equals x plus x is 2x. We divide both sides by 2. This we cancel this. We have x to be equals 126 divided by this. We're going to have 63 degrees. So now we have what? We have this to be 63 degree. So the question, I did not even complete the question. I'm very sorry for that. So the question asks us to find the angle B. Okay, the question asks us to find the angle B. Is angle B we are looking for? Do you understand now? So I'm very sorry for that. So B here is what? B is 63 degrees according to what we have here, because X is B, right? So simple. So I want you to share this class to your friends so they can benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share this to your colleagues, let them understand. Then follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye bye.